I recently had an audio brand called Maono reach out to me and ask if I wanted to try out one of their products. Of course I agreed because I'm always on the lookout for new tech to improve my channel. With me here I have the Maono Condenser Microphone, and I think I might have found the perfect microphone for beginners on YouTube. This is William from Tech, and this is my unboxing and review of the Maono AU-PM421T microphone. First off, the packaging actually looks quite nice, and the design looks good for a first impression. Opening the box, you can see we of course get the user manual, and then we can see it comes with a shock mount, which is great to reduce the chance of your mic picking up accidental bumps on your desk and such. It also comes with a wind filter, but it's kind of crumpled, so I probably won't use it. Next, it comes with a USB Type-B cable to connect to your computer. Here we have the mic itself, which feels like it has pretty decent build quality. And the last item we have on top is the mic stand. On the bottom we get the pop filter, which is a nice thing to be included, and lastly we have the base for the stand, which is very solid. However, I wish it had some feet on the bottom to prevent scratches on your desk or table. First things first, the design of the mic looks pretty professional and can fit pretty easily on any desk. The build is solid and the base is heavy enough that it won't be moving around at all. The shock mount can be tilted up and down, which is good for repositioning the mic if needed, and the pop filter can be adjusted to your liking as well. On the mic itself, you have a gain knob to adjust how much sound the mic picks up, as well as a capacitive mute button which glows red if it's muted and blue if it's on, which is a nice touch. On the bottom you have a USB Type-B port, which is used to connect the mic to the computer, and it's plug and play, which means no setup is required. My only complaint with the design of this mic would be the lack of headphone jack, which my Blue Yeti has. A headphone jack is useful on mics because you can monitor your voice while you're recording, and you can take advantage of the built-in sound processing. Next, let's talk about the actual sound quality. I would say for the price of 80 Canadian dollars, this is an excellent sounding microphone. Most people when they start out, including myself, use their smartphone's built-in microphone for audio, which is decent, but you just can't beat a dedicated mic. I find that straight out of the microphone without any adjustments, the Maono actually sounds better than the Blue Yeti. It has a nice warmer tone, which is good for voiceovers or game streaming. It picks up quite a bit of bass and doesn't sound flat at all. Voices also sound very clear. However, I would say that if you like to make a lot of adjustments to your audio, you should get something that gives you more freedom, such as the Blue Yeti. While this mic does say it records 24-bit audio at 192 kHz, I don't think it means much, but still sounds good regardless. For those of you who want a comparison between my Blue Yeti and the Maono mic, here's a test reading of the Steve Jobs book with both of them. The Apple II took the company from Jobs' garage to the pinnacle of a new industry. Its sales rose dramatically from 2,500 units in 1977 to 210,000 in 1981, but Jobs was restless. The Apple II could not remain successful forever, and he knew that. No matter how much he had done to package it, from power cord to case, it would always be seen as Wozniak's masterpiece. He needed his own machine. More than that, he wanted a product that would, in his words, make a dent in the universe. In conclusion, I think that the Maono microphone is a very good choice for beginners, and is perfect for anyone looking to start making YouTube videos or a podcast. If you want just straight high quality audio that you can edit, I would recommend another mic like the Blue Yeti. However, if you want a fully functional kit with a good mic, stand, shock mount, and pop filter all in one package for a decent price, I would say you can't go wrong with the Maono. Well, that's about it for this unboxing and review. Let me know in the comments below, are you looking to improve your audio? And if you are, which mic do you think you will get? If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and consider subscribing for more content like this. Anyway, this has been William from Tech, and I'll see you in the next video.